In the world of Forex trading, fear and doubts often hold people back. And rightly so, because people have lost time and money in trading. But much more people are still making money. So what's the difference? Understanding. At Ahmed Trading, we understand. We understand the Forex market, we understand trade, and most of all, we understand your fears, and we are here to help. Here's how. At Ahmed Trading, we prioritize transparency and education. We provide comprehensive training programs to equip you with the knowledge needed to make informed trading decisions. Our advanced copy trading system shows you top expert traders around the world and helps you mirror their trade. They do most of the work and you make most of the profit. We offer 24/7 support and free lifetime mentorship and consultation to our community to address any concerns whatsoever. With robust analytics and risk management tools to give you an edge, let us turn your fears into confidence. Visit www.ahmedtrading.com.